Guys, welcome to my second video. Now I'm gonna quickly show how to make a horse. Keep aside some of the clay for the legs, for the head and everything else. So now let's start with the body. So now let's make the body as same as this one. So you have to make it like this.
That's the head.
This is the head and this is the body. And do it like this. On the back it is very big, so I'm making it that shape. Now so we are making the head. As the neck is like this, so we have to make the neck a bit thin and make it like this. So you have to make a hump kind on the back of the horse. So you need to push the neck a bit back and make the mouth. So now let's make the ears. Wait. So now I have made the body into the same shape. So now let's make the nostrils.
Show the shape.
Nostrils, like make holes over here. And the mouth. Like this. So we have made the nostrils. Now let's make the eyes. Like this. So here I have to make.
Can you show the body of the horse?
Pause it. You pause. So make the body in this shape. Next, we have made the nostrils already. So let's make the mouth. We have to make the mouth. For making the mouth, we have to first make a line. Make a line and then poke it in. Like this. So here our mouth is done. Now let's make. Did you start? So now let's make the eyes like this. make a line and then put a hole in it. So you have to make it like this and a hole. This is way how you make the eyes. So now let's make the hair. Make a line between or here, from here and make lines like this. So we have made we have to make the hair on the both sides, so we have made it. Now let's start with the ears. You have to make it like this. First make a chapati type thing and do it like this. So this is how you have to make the ear. So I have made both the ears. Now let's fix it up here. Like this. Take a toothpick. So we have to attach it like this. Take another ear. Keep it far away from the other ear like this. And take the toothpick and do the same as you have done. And make a hole in the ears like this. So this is how our horse is looking. Now let's make the tail of it. For that, we have left this clay for tail. We have to make it in shape of a leaf first. First we have to make it in a shape of a leaf and do it like this. Make it a bit thin. Take a toothpick and make lines on it like this. So we have made it both sides. Now let's fix it like this over here.
Can you show it to the video?
Like this. So we have to poke this toothpick in and take some clay. Let's make the thighs of it. Like this. After making the thighs, so now we have made the thighs. So take a toothpick and make a line between the thigh. After that, take some more clay. Make it thinner than the thigh. insert it here. Take some clay
and make the hoof.
Make the hoof. I made the forelimbs. I made the other leg also. Now let's make the hind limbs. Now let's make the thighs. Make like this, and between the thighs make it this way. Now let's make the hoofs. So after making the hind limb, take a toothpick and make a line over here. So I'm done with my video. I hope you like it and please subscribe me. Thanks for watching the video.